Well, North Indian food, South Indian food, all variety of food with low calories. This man has discovered so much. Who's he? What is his background and what he's doing? He's Chef Kishan Reddy. Let's find out his journey, what he started about. You can have your food, whatever kind of variety, with low calories. Let's find out what he's doing and what is his background. So I have with me Chef Kishan Reddy. Well, he has started with new thing. Thank you so much to my show Trendsetter. You are a trendsetter who has been doing so many different healthy things. And as you know, health is important. Health hai to wealth hai, right?
Sahi.
And you look like a hero also. I must compliment you. You're looking a
Thank
nice, trendy, handsome chef. You're not looking like a normal topi dal ke, people come in that they do.
Yeah.
So you're very relaxed and, relaxed guy. So I want to know, Kishan, how your journey. First of all, I want to discover you as what? What is your qualification? What were you doing? Chef? I mean, it was always your journey. What is your journey is all about?
See, my journey, I did my hotel management.
Okay.
Then I had my training in Delhi and then got appointed in Hyderabad. I worked with Park Hotels.
Okay.
And then also worked with a couple of bistro restaurants. So working with my senior chefs and got so much of knowledge about the food and other stuff. And also I worked with one of the chef called Chef Ina. So he's the one who used to provide diet for all the celebrities like Rana and Prabhas and some other.
So you were
many-
working
many
together?
people. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So I was the one taking care of his place.
Okay.
And simultaneously I learned about diet and all this stuff.
Especially the celebrity diet.
Yes.
People always wanted to know
Yes,
that,
yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
And then I used to take all like other calls like Rana's and Mahesh Babu's also. What they want exactly and how their meal supposed to be like that.
I must call you celebrity chef then.
Maybe time still there.
Yeah,
Let's see
you
now.
will be right. Okay.
Okay. So it's like that journey started like that. So then, being my personally, I like to be fit and like health conscious. So since the college, I was like going to workouts and healthy eating habits I used to have. Then after did my hotel management, even though I have so much of option like varieties of foods. You see in a big hotels, you see a lot of food in front of your eyes.
Yes.
So, not getting tempted and all that. I used to maintain quality of food and the calories and healthy food at the same time. Workouts also on everyday basis. So that's how I, since the beginning, my like college days, like fitness minded.
And being, man, obviously it's a passion. You thought of that, okay, I'll take my passion to professionally. It was passion of doing cooking. Suddenly it came like being a boy, from South, they don't accept that, you're cooking and doing it. How it was?
See, since my childhood, I used to help my mom in the kitchen.
Great,
So,
I love you for
yeah.
this. All the moms there,
So,
please don't discourage your
Yeah,
boys.
it's in a very young age. I used to, I can say when I was in high school
Okay.
studying. So I used to be in the kitchen helping mom and cooking regular
Cutting
food.
the vegetables.
Cutting the food, making curries and other stuff I used to-
Automatically?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Most of the time I used to spend in kitchen only
Okay.
because I'm a foodie at that time. So
Okay.
whatever she cooks, I'm the one first to eat in the house.
Okay.
So like that, once I learned everything, she used to leave me for like, she used to go to her place and leave me everything on me, like cooking for my dad and others. So I used to make good curries, rice, rotis and everything. Since then, it's like my habit of cooking. The later on, after my college, I did my ITI in automobiles. And then definitely I didn't work out.
Yeah.
Then I took a break and then one day I sat back and thinking what to do, what is my interest. And then I got to know I'm interested in cooking, so that the hotel management course is the better option. And then I found a college. I'm from Chikmagalur, Karnataka.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there's a Cafe Coffee Day college, the hotel management Amber Valley School, and the college is there. So I studied there, and then it started from there, hotel management, and then working with other restaurants and.
But Krishna, I'm just thinking about being from the South family, and when you were cooking, how your family used to think about it. I mean, boys always are not allowed in the kitchen, and when you are cooking, they take it in another way. it's for open-minded or like what? Because there are some boys who's watching this interview and they will be thinking, see mom, he was interested in cooking. So do you think, see, when girl goes into the kitchen, if she want to become a chef, that's okay. But now more of chefs we see a man, a good chef,
Yes.
not a woman also,
Yeah.
but more of the content, we see more of the men chef. So at that time, how they used to take this, your career?
So cooking, it is not just meant for a girl like that. So it's an hobby, and it should be in your body. The passion should be there. We should do keep watching cooking videos, travel around, explore the food. Then automatically you will find an interest. So like that, now the generation is different.
Yeah.
So, and everyone wants to cook, try something, and also some ready instant food are coming
Yeah.
up. So everyone wants to try at their home. So it's like that. Whenever I go home, so they will be waiting for me to come and try my food. So my mom will ask, "What can you cook for me today special?"
Wow.
And my dad is like,
It's going opposite.
boring of eating regular stuff and cook something special for me." So
Wow.
I used to make some North Indian stuff, curries, all that. And
Okay.
they used to eat eating a homemade South Indian style. Whenever I go home, I cook some different.
So how was your chef journey? Like when you finished your education and then when you came to the professional field, working with hotels, you were always a settled guy. So what makes you to click and come out of this and come up with this idea?
See, when I was working, it was like pretty hard working in the hotels for 14 hours. 12
Yeah.
to 14 hours a minimum, and it was
standing
more
job.
or less like standing job.
Yeah.
We always looking forward to where I can get a break and relax.
Today
for
we
some
also
time.
had made him stand, right?
So it was like that, and then
14 hours job, yeah.
14 hours job, and then weekly one off used to be like a relaxing kind of a day. Then ultimately I had a thought in my mind that I can, I used to go gym
Okay.
while I was working. So I had in my mind I can, cook something and give it to the people who are like fitness freak-minded
Conscious.
people. And I had a gym trainer. So one day I cooked something and I showed him. So is this a meal, perfect meal for like bodybuilding and calories and everything? So he ate that meal and said that is perfect, and some changes need to be done. He said. Then I started cooking accordingly, and the immediate next day, people started giving me orders.
Wow.
Then
You didn't started the business that time. It was just a trial.
Trial based kind of thing. It was in early 2017.
Okay.
17 that time. I was working in the Park Hotel at that
Okay.
time. So then after that, I started doing from the home as a trial base. And all of a sudden, some celebrities and the movie field people started taking. That time there was no
Fitness chef.
There are one or two brands were there in the
Yeah.
market. Then I used to cook from out of passion, not like business mind of it. I have to
Just
be
for passion.
and then used to give them. There are so many celebrities used to be there.
You can name them who complimented you. Came, Arey Kishan, I want this.
Yeah, initial
And
days.
they love, yeah.
Initial days. I served for Anil Rawapudi and Smart Shankar, Ram Potineni, Gariki, and then Vanilla Kishore, and some comedian actors were there, and then Vijay Deverakonda also. He did like 2 movies, and for his brother also.
Anand.
Anand. So it was like that, and like many serial actors and TV
So
actors
they started having your meal. You were not opened the business, but they
started having. And then later on, I took a place and I started.
Okay.
I quit my job and I started doing
Okay,
my
so
own.
that was a turning point, I think.
Yes.
So your one food taste and trial has changed your life.
Yes.
Then you realize this is the right time to go for it.
Go for it,
So what were the things they were coming up with and giving you that you should go for this healthy food as compared to what normal food we have?